Hi, my name's Birch. I'm from Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. The Academy of Private Investor. Oh, where do I start? Has it changed my life? Definitely. I was just one of those guys that was going through life. At the end of the month, I could never understand why didn't have enough money to sort of enjoy myself in life, and the family was suffering from that too. So when I come across the Academy and realised what I was doing wrong, I changed things dramatically. Now, one of the things that did change my way of thinking was actually the Academy of Private Investor book. It's very simple. It's not rocket science. The basics. And I honestly think that this book should be put around the schools here in Australia for every child to read and learn from. It's just the foundation of all your financial education. But unfortunately, we're not taught that in our schools, are we? But the Academy teaches us extremely well. And I want to take my hat off to Andrey Khovratov and his team for their knowledge and the experience to pass it on to us through the courses we've done. And I'm very pleased I've done that. Because once I did the Academy of Private Investor book, I went on to learn a lot more. And because it's actually taken a lot of stress off me, and because now I know what financially I have to do and to protect myself in the future as well. So once again, thank you, Andrey Khovratov, for your knowledge and sharing of your knowledge and your wisdom. So once again, thank you very much. My name's Birch.